Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to make an alarm clock in Visual Basic 2008 in request of Spiker985. Alright, so let's get started. This is what it's going to look like when it's done. You guys right here. That's the real time. Except my clock's messed up on my computer. That's the real time and the real date. And I'll show you what it does. If I go to like 50, I click set. It says alarm set. Let it sit till it goes to 50. Boom. It is 4:17:50. And yeah. So that's pretty much it. So what we're going to do is make a new form application. Name it whatever you want. Alright. Once you get that, add a label. Put the label right here. You might just want to extend it like that a little bit. Go to the properties of the label. Make the text on the label, I'd say make it about 20. Alright, there's that. And then put a text box. Put a text box under it. Extend that a little bit. Then you want to put a button. If that text is a little big, make the text on the button like maybe 14. Yeah, about like that. Name that button set. And then make another button. And make this one close. Change this real quick. Alright, once you get that, what you want to do is double click the form, and I'll have all the code in the description. So form1.load, copy this in there. I forgot to tell you, add 2 timers. Alright, go back in the code, copy the second code, double click the first label, paste that in there. Then go to timer1.tick, double click timer1, paste that in there. Then go to button 1, double click button 1, put that in there. And then timer 2, paste that in there. And then button 2. Alright, now when you run it, it should look like this, and it should capture the time. Then go to like 35, click set, alarm set, wait for it. Oh, whoops. Since I made an error right there, you're gonna get a bunch of boxes. You have to, for timer 2, right here, timer 2, make it 1,000. And then try it again. Yeah, there. And then it should only come up as 1 instead of opening 10 message boxes. So there you go. Thanks for requesting this, Spiker. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe.